The Lion and the Talking Den. Hello children, I am Ammu and I have a beautiful story from the Panchtantra to narrate to you today. The name of the story, The Lion and the Talking Den. Once upon a time, a clever jackal made his home in a cave in the jungle. Every day he would leave the cave at sunrise in search of food and return at sunset. In the same forest lived a lion. He had grown very old and could no longer run fast to catch his prey. He often had to go hungry because of this. One day, the lion tried to catch a lame deer, but even the lame deer could run faster than him. Imagine, children! As the lion wandered in search of prey, he saw the jackal's cave. He was sure that some animal lived in the cave. He had an idea. The lion waited in the cave for the whole day. He was very hungry, and this made him very restless and impatient. At sunset, the jackal came back to find the whole forest quiet around the cave. He was sure that some great danger lurked inside the cave. He thought of a plan and called out to the cave. Hearing the clever jackal, the lion believed that the cave spoke to the jackal and called out in a hollow voice, asking the jackal to come in. Hearing the roar of the lion, the jackal turned and ran for his life. How clever the jackal was, children! And imagine the big mighty lion. What a fool he was. He did not even think that can a cave speak? And he responded to the jackal's call to the cave. Now the lion waited for the jackal to enter. But where was the jackal? The jackal had realized that there was a lion inside the cave waiting to pounce at him and feast on him. So what did he do? He ran away and saved his life. Now the lion was thinking what to do that I could catch the jackal. But no, he had lost the game. He could do nothing but to go away from the cave. But he wanted to try again. So he waited for the next morning. When the jackal left, he came back to the cave again and sitting inside waited the whole day. At sunset, the jackal came back again and he found everything around the cave silent because the birds, the small animals, everyone had seen the lion